All right, back at it. We got new rod I picked up, 7-footer. Gonna be throwing a little blacked out jig. The conditions today are pretty brutal. Lots of wind. We have to jump from about 3 different places trying to find somewhere with less wind, but it's not looking too great. But we're still gonna give it a shot, see if we can't pull some out of here. Holy crap, a train! Holy crap! I got him. I'm gonna have to help you down this part, buddy. This part's a little muddy. All right. Careful. Grab that little branch and come down. Whoa. Whoa. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Gosh, that's slick. We'll get your water bottle. That's slippery. All right. Okay. Oh, I stepped on it a little bit. Crap. Sorry, Max.
It's okay.
Oh, gross. Damn, poor Max. It's all right. At least it's not in the part you drink out of. So, like I said, little jig. Sorry if the wind noise is too bad. I'm gonna try a jig first, but I think we're gonna have to throw a bottom rig in a minute. This is hard to fish, especially a small jig, micro jig. Oh crap, this is hard. I might have to go on the bottom. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna throw a bottom rig, 100%. I'm gonna change rigs real quick. Micro jig just is not heavy enough to cast in this wind. I only need half a night crawler, really. I like to hook them right in the middle, and then sometimes I like to hook them a couple times. So 1, 2, and that's basically what we're working with. So when we're holding tension up on the rod, it's going to be sitting in the water like that. Nice juicy worm. Okay. Oh, there's like a little cliff we got to walk down though. I have to help this boy out. You got it?
Yep.
Don't fall off that. Good job, boy. Good job. Here you go. Sink, sink, sink. That water's freezing cold.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay. Oh well, even though the fishing sucks, doesn't mean it has to ruin the day, right? We get some good food here. Got some pastrami. Some good cheese here. Take a little break. Okay. Let's see, maybe we could do like a little roll. Let's roll it this way. There you go. There you go, Max. Gosh. I was really hoping today would be nice, but looks like it's just going to be windy all day. delicious. There's that eagle again. See him? Two of them. Two bald eagles right there. Holy cow. Woo! Look at that. Sweet. That was cool. Yep, yep. He's on it. Getting a bite. Hold on. No? No. See if it's even there still. He stole it, didn't he? Oh, he stole it. Oh, that motherfucker. We got a bite though, it's a good sign.
There's a sort of voice.
There's people walking up there.
It was like, ah.
There's people walking.
But they don't know it's not here.
Maybe they do. Right, well, that's the end. We got skunked. It's hard to catch any fish out here with all this wind. So, anyways, I mean, it was still a good day. It's a little cold out, but I mean, every day can't be perfect. So, sucks to get skunked, but it is what it is. I had a great time checking out this new ugly stick that I got. It's really sensitive, very good rod. I want to test it more out on a better day with less wind. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.